Hello friends, welcome to Programming Concepts. My name is Amit and this is part 79 of the ASP.NET Core MVC tutorial. In this video, we will learn how to register logs to Visual Studio Debug output window in ASP.NET Core. This is a continuation of part 78, EventLog in ASP.NET Core MVC. So please watch it before proceeding to this one. I shared the link in the description. Let's go to the Visual Studio. And this is the project which we are working with. You can see in our previous video, we already registered logs via code to console and EventLog. Now, if we have to register logs to debug, we can add another logger. So type log builder dot add debug. Here you can see we only have one constructor for add debug. So we cannot customize our logger from code. And even this line is not mandatory here because debug logging provider is enabled by default. So even if I remove this line, it will work. So if we cannot do anything here, then what is its use? So this line is useful in case I clear default providers at the starting like this. So builder dot logging dot clear providers. So my intention is that I don't want to use all the default providers initially. Now because this line clear all providers, now I have to register it again. Alright. Next, let's go to appsettings.json or appsettings.development.json in case you have set development environment in launch settings.json file. So by default, my debug log provider pick this default logging. Here you can see default logging is set to trace. Let me run this application. And let's check output window. Just in case you don't get output window, just go to view and then output. It will open the same window. Now you can see here we are getting logs starting from trace. This output window is mainly for developers. Now as a developer, what if I don't want to see all low severity level logs and I only want logs starting from warning? In that case, we can separately set log levels for debug as well. Let's stop the application, go to appsettings.json file and type debug at the top. And then copy and paste log levels within curly braces. Let me change default log level from trace to warning. And that's it. We are done. Let me run our application one more time. And now, if you look at the debug logs, you can see we have logs starting from severity level warning. Simple, extremely simple. So that's it from this short video. Hope you like our content. If you have any queries related to the content of this video, do ask me in the comments. Thanks for watching.